Ever feel like you're drowning in bills? It happens to the best of us. Between rent, groceries, and that unexpected car repair, staying afloat financially can feel like a constant battle. That's where companies like Rocket Money come in, promising a helping hand. But before you dive headfirst into their services, let's take a deep dive and ask, does Rocket Money loan you money? Let's face it, traditional loans can be a drag. Banks have a reputation for mountains of paperwork, sky-high interest rates, and a judgmental side eye if your credit score isn't picture perfect. Rocket Money seems different. Their website is slick, their commercials promise a stress-free experience, and who doesn't love that mascot rocket? But is it too good to be true? Here's the thing, Rocket Money doesn't actually loan you money. Buckle up, because this is where things get interesting. Instead, Rocket Money operates as a financial technology, or fintech, company. They specialize in a service called negotiation. That's right, negotiation. They act as your champion, haggling with your existing bill providers to try and get you a lower interest rate or a more manageable payment plan. So, how does it work? Typically, you sign up for Rocket Money service through their website or app. They'll ask you to link your bank accounts and bills so they can get a clear picture of your financial situation. Once they have a handle on things, Rocket Money's team of experts goes to work, contacting your creditors on your behalf. Their goal? To negotiate a lower interest rate or a more manageable payment plan, essentially saving you money on the bills you already have. Now, this isn't magic. Negotiation is a skill, and Rocket Money's team is supposedly trained professionals. They know the ins and outs of dealing with creditors, and they understand the pressure points that might get you a better deal. But remember, negotiation isn't an exact science. There's no guarantee that Rocket Money will be able to slash your interest rates in half. The success rate depends on various factors, including your creditworthiness, the type of debt you have, and the creditor you're dealing with. Here's the good news, Rocket Money typically charges a monthly subscription fee, usually around $30, instead of a one-time loan origination fee. This means you only pay if they're successful in saving you money. If they can't negotiate a better deal, you don't owe them a dime. That's a win-win, right? Well, almost. There are a few things to consider before you jump on board the Rocket Money spaceship. First, that monthly fee can add up over time. If they can't save you much money, it might be cheaper to tackle your bills on your own. Second, Rocket Money doesn't handle all types of debt. They primarily focus on things like credit card bills, medical bills, and certain telecommunication bills. Student loans and mortgages are usually off limits. Finally, it's important to remember that Rocket Money is a third-party service. By linking your bank accounts, you're giving them access to your financial information. While they claim to have robust security measures in place, sharing your financial data is never a decision to take lightly. Do your research and make sure you're comfortable with their privacy policy. So, is Rocket Money your new financial BFF? The answer, like most things in life, is it depends. If you're struggling with high-interest debt and don't have the time or energy to negotiate with creditors yourself, Rocket Money could be a valuable tool. However, if you're a financial whiz with a good credit score, you might be better off tackling your bills head-on. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your finances. Do your research, understand the service, and weigh the pros and cons before you sign up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, be smart, be informed, and take control of your financial future.